Investing is a journey, not a destination. These words resonate with the essence of our discussion today. We ventured through the labyrinth of investment basics, dissected current trends, and tackled the art of starting your investment journey with just $100. We've also shed light on some common pitfalls to sidestep on your path to financial growth. Let's take a moment to revisit our journey. We started by understanding the essence of investments. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. We dove into the world of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and even cryptocurrencies. We learned that diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's a safety net, a way to spread your risks and optimize your returns. Then, we navigated through the currents of investment trends. We saw how the investment world is ever-changing, how today's winners might be tomorrow's losers, and vice versa. We recognized the importance of staying informed and adapting our strategies to ride these waves of change. Our $100 investment blueprint was a testament to the fact that you don't need a fortune to start building one. We explored robo-advisors, micro-investing apps, and index funds. We realized that $100, though seemingly modest, could be the seed of a bountiful financial garden. Lastly, we acknowledged the common mistakes that could potentially stunt our financial growth. Overconfidence, lack of research, impatience, these are not just mistakes. They are roadblocks on the path to wealth creation. We committed to avoiding these pitfalls, to learning from our missteps, and to remaining patient and persistent in our pursuit of financial growth. Now that we've retraced our steps, it's time to embark on your own journey. Remember, there's no right time to start investing. The best time was yesterday. The next best time is now. Let your $100 be the first stepping stone on your path to financial freedom. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. And your step, no matter how small, matters. It's not about how much you invest, it's about starting the journey. It's about learning, growing, and adapting. It's about making your money work for you. So why wait? Begin your journey today. Take that first step. Let's turn your financial dreams into reality, one investment at a time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.